Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Stealing from the Greats, a show where I break down the best subscription signups out there and see what do's and don'ts we can learn from these peeps. Now, today, I'm actually pretty pumped to look at Athletic Greens because Athletic Greens is this weird, odd thing where they just give you this one page and they expect you to buy into their brand. And which is just an interesting way of doing it. So we got this very minimalistic look. This is basically below the fold or full, I don't know, full screen. I don't know what lingo is. Full screen banner, this hero banner, and it's sophisticated. It loads in pretty fast in this video of a whole bunch of stuff going on and how people, the type of people, kind of, lifestyle videos of people using Athletic Greens. Cool. And the prompt, the positioning statement here is "Welcome to the essentialist nutrition movement. Comprehensive and convenient daily nutrition made simple." So I think that's a pretty darn good positioning statement. So essentialist nutrition movement sounds sophisticated, or sounds like the emotion you want to deliver, but comprehensive and convenient daily nutrition made simple. It's not fully describing what it's for. Doesn't follow the exact brand positioning sort of rule of thumb of what does your product do and who is it for, but it does tell you basically for people who are looking for simple, comprehensive daily nutrition. Okay. Cool. Could be maybe would have been interesting if I would have personally, let's put it that way, positioned it as, hey, comprehensive, convenient, daily nutrition for nutrition essentialists, or I don't know, something like that, for people in a hurry, for busy athletics minded something. I'm not a copywriter, clearly, but here's their below the fold page. So look, sticky header. People use sticky headers. I promise you, it'll improve your bounce rates significantly if you use sticky headers. People should know where to go next. Now, I mean, it's a big kind of pretty high quality, probably 720p video. Looks great on this 32-inch screen. So I'm curious how they're loading it in. And also, their tech stack is, I don't believe it's Shopify. I believe it's completely, obviously, native. They're going with something completely new. Now, finally, so below the fold, we're going to take a look at a little more product details. So product drivers. So what are the product drivers? So this is a big brand driver, product driver, and then more product drivers, trust symbols, and then the product description, customer testimonials, user-generated content, customer testimonials. So, pretty standard elements for that everyone kind of knows, but they do a pretty darn good job of these. So the big statement here is this trademark statement of you're going to need a smaller cabinet. Interesting thing to trademark by Athletic Greens, but I guess so. Maybe probably part of a bigger, much bigger campaign. But I do like this nutrition breakdown. Focuses on, the product breakdown focuses on a high resolution image of the product. There's not a lot of them, so they're not showing you the bags. They're not showing you anything. They're just showing you this green liquid in a clear glass. Cool. But again, these images, high resolution, well placed, front and center, and they give you a good sense of what the final product is. What is the benefit? So now they have these positional, essentially product benefit statements. So comprehensive nutrition is the benefit. So the header is the benefit, and the feature is underneath it as a typed out feature. So 75 vitamins, minerals, whole food source nutrition, nutrients in one convenient daily serving. Comprehensive nutrition. Great. Better than pills or capsules. That's a benefit. Why? Because you mix AG1, Athletic Greens 1, I guess, with water, it's more efficiently absorbed by your body. So more efficiently absorbed by your body is really the benefit, but this is kind of the positioning competitive advantage. Okay. Incredibly convenient. 1 scoop travel or travel pack, 8 ounces of water every day. That's it. So simplicity for everybody. Athletes, Lifeleets, cool. Everyone in between, the vegan, keto, eco-friendly, keto-friendly, paleo, everything. So again, benefit statement and the features supporting the statement below. I'm curious. I'd be curious if they've done. I'm sure that the numbers are out there. Somebody's tested benefit upfront and feature as the main header, and then subheader or the description text would be the feature, or you know what I mean? Feature first. So, for example, 75 vitamins, comprehensive nutrition. I wonder it's possible that it's split between customer types. Some people are more left-brained, some people are more right-brained. Maybe it's something to do with product personalization. Now, so that's the product. And essentially, you'll notice it's pretty darn simple. It seems a little messy. There's not enough white space, maybe, or just a lot of different things going on here, but I shouldn't be the one to criticize. AG1 is made for the highest quality ingredients links in accordance with the strictest standards and obsessively improved based on the latest science. Okay, cool. So kind of this weird, very busy it's interactive. I was wondering. I was scared to click on those links because I thought that would take me somewhere else. That's probably why they added these weird plus buttons in the text. Really odd way of handling this, but because these are not interactive, there's not like filters. These are just like only interactive on these buttons. Really interesting. Quality ingredients, highest standards, 51 iterations and counting. So 52. So again, more product benefit copy, and working with top doctors, naturopath, nutritionists, and health scientists. We made 52 iterations to our AG1 to date. We're hard at work at number 53. So again, brand values of science-based, essentially product-focused, improvement-focused company. Get on with us because we have figured out what essential nutrition is. Essentialist nutrition. That's their shtick. Okay, that's good to know. And then it's a straightforward, hey, plan A, plan B, plan C. One-time purchase being the $99 option with no banner. So we have and this lovely dynamic category switch between pouches and travel packs. Again, very functional. This website or this is a fantastic page if you want to look at simplicity and a lot of information being packed into one place. If you have or basically if you're trying to do, long story short, it's a really good example of a good subscription sign-up process. And they do a pretty darn good job of telling you right up front, hey, here's what our brand is. Here's what our product is. Here are all the things that make this product good. And then you go, okay, well, what are the policies? What are the reviews like? Maybe the bias for me is like I've heard of Athletic Greens a bazillion amount of times. So I don't really necessarily need customer reviews, and that's potentially why they're burying testimonials from people like, Tim Ferriss's of the world, way below. So that's awesome. And they maybe don't need to do that at all. But yeah, so interesting. But back to this product selection, these plans. So here's where they lay out their specific subscription policies, and it's pretty straightforward. They don't flash in your face that it's cancel, pause, no commitment, pause, cancel anytime, 60-day money back guarantee as your little objection buster at the very bottom, which highlights the subscription services. They do tell you that the most popular and best value options are the are the subscriptions. They tell you that you can get a one-time purchase, but even if you just get a subscription, you'll save, and I do like these, you'll save instantly $20. So you'll get 20% off by just signing up right now. So 30 servings delivered monthly, free starter kit. There's a whole bunch of premium jar and shaker. So they value stack this thing with, hey, here's a jar for this and a shaker, which is pretty darn good. I like that a lot. I like that companies provide that as a starter pack. It's an incentive. I would be curious to know if there's any additional digital aspects to their membership, community forum, downloads, recipes, that sort of stuff. Because the essentialist nutrition movement is probably more than just athletic greens, but this is really clean cut. This is pretty much all you really need to know about the product to make a decision. I would, or at least I feel like I'm in that spot. So, and I do like how easy it is to flip between these two collections, and that their plans are, again, very easy to understand. It's 3 offers, same products, and then 3 types of offers: subscription, volume subscription, and a one-time purchase. So it's cool. Big fan. More product specific benefits. I like that. Formulated for high performance, everybody's. I like that. That's cute. That is some cute branded copy. It's kind of stiff but playful, dry humor. Benefits of daily use: boosts energy, helps recovery, aids digestion, supports immunity. Actually, surprised that these are this far down, because these are fairly everybody's benefits of, like, hey, listen, why would I even need to bother with this? I'm surprised. I would actually personally probably put it somewhere a little further up. But that would be me, just to make sure that, hey, here are the most common, the top of funnel words that you can use to deliver the value of your product. So, and what I do love about Athletic Greens is, again, simplicity of their offer, their business, basically, of this particular business model of, hey, we just do subscription of this one particular thing, and we do it really, really darn well. And here's the crazy part. All of these buttons, when they say subscribe, now they're not taking you through the flow. They're not asking you what your weight is, how much do you bench, and the rest of it. If you click here, it takes you straight to checkout. And it just tells you, yeah, there you go. Just leave us your money and we'll send it. Like, what else is there to do? Which is very impressive. And it's I believe it was an e-commerce native company too, which they started just selling straight direct to consumer. So there's a lot to learn here for us, and I think the simplicity of it is great. I think how much value is packed in here is great. I think this design, I'm kind of surprised that these plans don't stack left to right, with the most popular one. Oh, they do have the most popular at the top. Yeah. But I think the carousel would probably be a better option here on mobile. But overall, though, oh, these are a little funky. Oh, it's probably just. And also really interesting that they decide to do a sticky header on this. On this, you're going to need a smaller cabinet trademark. I feel like it's one of the executives were like just really happy that they got it, and that the marketing team's like, yes, this is really it. But I guess we have to do it. And this little widget's a little confusing and clunky. I think not the best as a result on mobile. But overall, though, big fan. It's essentially a landing page, but this is athleticgreens.com. This is their homepage. So this is awesome. I think overall simplicity, clear brand benefit, easy functionality, clear product benefit, very well written copy, and yeah, and I mean, obvious customer testimonials and trust symbols are all there. So yeah, plenty to learn. plenty to learn from us. I do like this per serving. Something I would suggest if you're in the consumables nutrition space, definitely take. And for the subscription, prepay, for example, advertising those prices like that. Good tip too. All right. Well, I'll leave it at that. Athletic Greens, check them out. And we'll see you next week. Cheers.